Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download CoinLedger for importing Exchange CSV files, complete guide step by step clearly. To download CoinLedger for importing Exchange CSV files, begin by opening your preferred web browser. In the search bar, type CoinLedger and press enter. Select the official CoinLedger website from the search results. Once on the home page, look for the Get Started or Download button, typically found at the top of the page. Click on this button to navigate to the download section. You may be prompted to create an account or log in if you already have one. If you need to create an account, fill out the required fields such as your email address and password, then submit the information. After logging in or creating an account, locate the download link for the CoinLedger application. Depending on your operating system, choose between the Windows or Mac version. Click on the corresponding download button. The download will start automatically. Once it's finished, locate the downloaded file in your system's Downloads folder. Double-click the downloaded file to initiate the installation process. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete the installation. Once installation is complete, open the CoinLedger application. You will be prompted to log in to your account. After logging in, look for the option to import your Exchange CSV files. Select the exchange from which you want to import data. Follow the instructions provided to upload your CSV file. Once your file is uploaded, CoinLedger will process. You can now verify the imported transactions for accuracy. If everything looks good, you are ready to use CoinLedger for tracking your crypto assets. This completes your download and setup process for CoinLedger. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.